We must show them we are here.
You are destroying their home!
Look, in the water!
They are real! They are real!
Chippo, look out!
Do not be afraid. Look at what you are doing to our world.
Please forgive me. I promise to never litter again, and I will stop others from doing it too.
Take this gift to heal your people. Remind them that the ocean and land are one.
Chippo, you look like you have a secret.
I have found a way to help our people. The water spirits gave me a gift to heal us. This is a gift from the ocean. We must help them protect it. Chippo, you can truly heal us.
These talks of magic are dangerous.
She is saving lives. Be proud of her.
If Chippo got a gift from the waters, I deserve one too.
Muvimbo, stop.
I am going there to demand my own power. Give me the power that you gave that girl. I deserve to be special.
The water holds no blessings for those who wish to command. Chippo, your father is scared because of his mother. She stopped going to church and praying.
So she forgot her strength.
Muvimbo, what is wrong?
They rejected me. They said I was fit for nothing. I will make everyone turn against her. Guide my hands to heal our people, and let your light shine through me. I heard Chippo's gift is not from a good place. It is dangerous magic.
Is that really true?
Chippo, we have heard talk of your gift. We do not want trouble here.
I seek only the light.
We have seen her prayers, Muvimbo. Why did you lie to us about her?
I only wanted to help.
Our ocean is not a trash can. Put your plastic litter in the bin. Let us protect our water together. Excellent!
O Lord, please guide my steps on this journey. Give me wisdom and strength to help them. The most salam utari.
Oh, God.
Chippo, I am so sorry for lying about you. I was jealous, but I have learned my lesson. I forgive you, Muvimbo.
The whole village is now helping to keep our beach clean.
And I am using my gift to heal and bring people together.
We have both found our true purpose.